What's happening, guys? My name is Tom E, and right now I'm going to show you how to get free $10,000 coaching and start making $40,000 a month. Now, I know that sounds kind of crazy, and you may think, is this clickbait? No, it's not. Is this hype? No, it's not. Is he full of crap? No, I'm not. I'm literally going to show you how to do this, so pay attention. No one I haven't seen anyone do this before, okay? No one wants you to know this stuff because they want to keep the money for themselves. So I'm just going to go ahead and piss off a bunch of big fat marketers and show you not what just they do, but what I do to bring in about $40,000 a month. All right, so the field that we are talking about, I'm just gonna, this is not a big fancy video. I haven't prepared any presentations or anything. It's all in my head because I know what I'm talking about. So I'm just gonna type it as we go here. So here we go. We are talking about affiliate, not a faux, affiliate marketing. Okay, can't type today. Now, there's affiliate marketing and there's affiliate marketing. Okay, let's first get to the coaching. Okay, because if you were to pay $10,000, which is about the going rate, for coaching, then what that person would do is he or she would show you exactly what they are doing. Okay, not exactly, they would hide a few things, but mostly they would show you enough so that you can duplicate what they did. Now there's a shortcut for doing this, and by the way, if you're sitting there thinking, well, I have no experience, and as this video progresses, if some of the terminology sounds foreign to you, don't worry, there's a payoff at the end. Okay, even if you have no experience, you'll be covered by the end of this video. But let's get back to this coaching. So what in essence this person is going to teach you, and I've taken and given $10,000 coaching, so I know what I'm talking about, is again how to swipe their life, how to do exactly what they're doing. But there's a free way of doing that. You have to use one thing and combine it with the other, and that's what you're going to learn right now. And it's so easy, it's ridiculous. First thing first is choose the right marketer, and then two, what you got to do is you have to get on their list. All right, and how do you do that? It's really simple. Let's see, let's go to Google here, and now there's a lot of marketers you can follow. Okay, there's two of my friends which I've partnered with and will partner with in the future. I love these guys. They're super honest and they're making money hand over fist, and they both have amazing autoresponder funnels, which is the key here. First one is called Brendan Mace. All you do is just, if you wanted to follow him, you just clicking in his name, and then see Brendan Mace right there. The next one is Jono, his partner, Jono Armstrong, and then you'll find him right there too. Guys, I can't overstate the value of this. Okay, now why do you want to get on their list? You want to get on their list because you want to swipe their success. Now what that means, it means that when you sign up to their list, they have an automated autoresponder. Okay, an autoresponder is something like Aweber or GetResponse, stuff like that, that they have pre-prepared all these emails, and these emails have certain things to get you to engage with them. Now what you'll notice and what you want to do is, once you've signed up to a list, create a folder inside your email, a special folder, name it by the name of that marketer, and save all those emails. And you want to stay on it for a couple of weeks before you start taking action, and you'll start seeing a pattern. Now, you don't want to follow spammy marketers, because spammy marketers, they send you emails about, buy this, buy that every day, and they don't really make that much money because no one likes that. What you'll notice that guys like Brendan and Jonah and myself do is we build value. Okay, first few days they won't even try to sell you anything. They will just give you advice about this, how to make $100 on Twitter, how to make this on Instagram, this and that, and then every now and then you'll see there's an affiliate marketing video. Now here is the key, okay? And this is going to sound way too simple, but what you're going to do is you're literally going to swipe what they're doing. So let's say that, and let me get on YouTube for this one. Let's say that 100 on Twitter is your thing. Let's say that one of their videos is how to make $100 on Twitter. So you get the email, right? So what you're going to do is you're going to, and I'm going to show you later in this video how to do this if you don't know. You're going to copy their email into your autoresponder, but you can't copy it, okay? I'm not telling you to literally copy it. You have to rewrite it, put your own spin on it, which is very, very easy. Then you look at the video that it points to, and then you do the same thing, okay? You look at the video, take some notes, and I know this sounds like a pain in the ass, but do you want to make 40 grand a month or do you not, okay? We do work for our money. We do work a lot, but we do make 40 grand a month, sometimes 50, sometimes 30, but who cares? Let's take this one for example. This one has 3,000 views, so it should be pretty decent. This one has 20. Let's see. All right, and we're not gonna watch the video, but oh, it's Igor. You know, he knows what he's. Well, that's actually the ad. So let's see who is in the actual thing here. Let me see. Skip ad. Skip ad. Come on, let me skip the ad. All right, I don't know who this is, but since it has 3,000 views, chances are it's pretty decent. It's got a bunch of likes, a bunch of comments. That's good. So let's say that you followed Jono, right? Let's say that this is his video. Look through it, okay? And take points, all right? Take notes. You know, open a Word document and take notes. And then you're basically going to recreate the video. If you want, you can just Google it on YouTube and find another video that has some stuff that his video doesn't have, and you create a video that basically teaches the same thing. Change your headline up a little bit, you know. Again, do not steal content, okay? You can't just rip what someone says. You have to put your own unique spin on it, and guess what? That's what internet marketing is all about. That's what we're all doing, all right? Creating value. So now you have created that, and you've also created the autoresponder sequence. Again, I'll show you later. And you're going to do that, and you're going to copy their whole sequence, okay, without copying their emails, okay? You need to change the headline, and you need to change up the actual body so that it is your own stuff, okay? Now, in a nutshell, that's literally how easy it is. That's how I figured out how to do all this stuff. I followed super successful email marketers. I followed them for 6 months, and I saw what they were doing, and I go, oh my God. And then I copied it, and boom, money started coming like crazy. And this is automatic money. Like 70% of this money just comes in automatic without you doing anything once you've set up the funnel. Now, there's one thing that's important to remember here, what this involves, okay? The one thing that you have to have is paid traffic, okay? Of course, free traffic is a thing, but it's going to go really slow, and it's going to take forever for you to make that kind of money if you ever make it, okay? You could launch your own products, but that's the long, slow route if you're looking at several years. If you want this to happen fast, you get paid traffic. Now, there are a few ways of getting paid traffic. There's solo ads. There is Facebook ads. And let's see, what else is there? Oh yeah, there's paid leads. You can purchase paid leads. Okay, also covered at the end of this video. But yeah, you're gonna have to choose one of these things, because that's what I do, that's what Brendan does, that's what Jono does, that's what all the big successful people do. So I can't overstate how simple this is. That I just gave you the secret, okay? You think, all right, if you're sitting there waiting for the big secret to happen, no, I just revealed it. You literally get on their list, and it's easy to get on their list. Once you click onto their website, they have a free offer. You know, enter your email here to get my free course, and now you're on their list, and you know you're getting $10,000 coaching by seeing what they're doing in their autoresponder. No one wants to tell you this, okay? It's really that simple, and what you're going to notice is a lot of those emails that you're going to get through that secret autoresponder sequence are value. Like I said, some of them are value, some of them sell you, and what that does is it builds confidence, okay? And it prevents people who sign up to your list from leaving it early. They'll literally stay on it for years. That's how these guys, that's how I am making so much money, because we provide value. And the thing is, you don't have to reinvent the wheel. Copy what guys like us are doing, okay, without copying us, but swipe the success formula and provide the same value simply by using our emails as a template, okay? Again, if a lot of successful marketers sees this, they're not going to like it, because hey, they want to make $10,000 telling you this stuff. All right, so now let's get to the part of how do you do all this stuff, right? Because there's a lot of moving parts and wheels and all that stuff in it. Okay, now if you just saw this video and you're a hyper experienced affiliate marketer, you already know what to do. You don't need anything else. Most people are going to need some extra help though. So what I've done is I spent the day researching all the courses that I have ever promoted, and I wanted to find the best one, something uber super cheap that basically has all those things that I talked about. All right, and this one is called, I think it's called, is it Genesis? I'm not even, yeah, Genesis, yeah. Brendan is one of the vendors on it. That's Kevin Fahey is on it, and it's an amazing course because it shows you everything from scratch, even if you have zero experience, okay? It takes you by the hand, and it's about like $13 or something like that. I love anything that Brendan is involved in because his integrity is so high. He really knows what he's talking about. But anyway, it shows you everything that I have told you about except for the one thing, which is get on their list and copy their success formula. So what you need to succeed with this, to get $10,000 coaching a month, is grab this course, $13, and then get on their list. And here's the cool thing, all right? If you buy this course, since this happens to be by Brendan, you're automatically going to get on his list, so you don't even have to do the other part. All right, two birds with one stone. And then create yourself a folder in your inbox, and save his emails. Now follow this course and learn the ins and outs of not only affiliate marketing, but they teach you how to make, how to get paid leads, the whole thing. It won't take you that many hours to get it. Okay, now once you've been through this course, the wheels are going to start turning and go, oh, that's what Tom is talking about, because now you'll know all the moving parts. Okay, obviously, if you don't have an autoresponder, you're gonna have to get it. Aweber is free for the first month, so I recommend them. And then, like I said, once you've gotten the hang of this, it may take you a few hours, may take you a day or two, depending on how much time you have. Wait for about 2 weeks. Wait for that autoresponder to fill up for about 2 weeks, and you get one email, at least one email from them every day, and then pay attention. Now, the one thing that you need to look out for is you need to tell the difference between mailers that they have set up in their autoresponder sequence and live mailers, because once you get on their list, if they have an offer to promote, they're gonna ping into your inbox, but you'll notice the difference, okay, because you'll see them promoting a product, and then when you click on it, it'll go to a review page, there's a bonus, grab my bonus. You can go ahead and delete those emails from them and just keep the ones that are from the autoresponder, which are the non-review videos. All right, so that's literally how simple it is. This is inside the course. Okay, Kevin is the trainer here. There's a training. There's a ton of videos and everything. But guys, that is literally how easy this is. Okay, let's see if I can get back to my. No, I couldn't get back to my original headline. I wanted to end on a cool graphic note here. But anyways, you guys, I just told you the secret on how to make 40 grand a month, and that can happen really fast. Okay, now you'll start out, you'll make a few hundred, a few thousand, 5,000, 10,000, and the thing is, the way that you start making more money is because you start to scale it. When you use paid traffic and you see that it works, you just pay more money and more money comes in. It's a really fun lifestyle. I travel all over the world constantly, so does Brendan, so does Jono, so do all these successful marketers, and I'm telling you, you can too. I just gave you the secret. Okay, now below this video is a link where you can pick up Genesis, and automatically end up on Brendan's list, and off you go. My name is Tommy. Thanks for watching. Now go take action.